You know, the watch market's been flexing for a while now. Sky-high prices, endless wait lists, and grey market madness. But now, there's a new wrench in the gears: US tariffs. And not the subtle kind. We're talking import hikes that could shake the way dealers operate, collectors buy, and prices hold, or spiral. The question on everyone's mind: is this the moment the luxury watch boom hits a wall? Welcome back to Opulent Oasis. Today we're peeling back the layers of these new tariffs and what they actually mean for Rolex market. Are we heading for a slowdown? Or is this just another chapter in the high-stakes chess game between demand, scarcity, and pure flex culture? Let's get into the real numbers and the real consequences. But before we dive deeper into the tariff chaos, let's shift gears and take a look at the Rolex models that collectors have been buzzing about lately. From overlooked concerns to unexpected surprises, we're breaking down what's being said and why these watches are getting so much attention right now. Rolex Datejust 41 Azzurro Blue. The Datejust 41 Azzurro Blue isn't your average blue dial. It's reserved for the white gold fluted bezel on a Jubilee bracelet, and that combo hits different. At 41 millimeters, it strikes the perfect balance between modern presence and timeless elegance. It's versatile, unmistakably Rolex, and that sunburst blue, pure eye candy. This particular piece came in nearly mint, but a missing link and outer box reminded us how fast a clean deal can get complicated. Replacement costs add up quickly, another reason why clear communication is everything. When both sides know exactly what's on the table, the deal feels like the watch: smooth, sharp, and worth every cent. While you're here, hit that subscribe button and stay ahead of the game. Market shifts, hot drops, and collector stories you won't want to miss. All right, let's get back into it. Rolex Datejust 31. The Rolex Datejust 31 has a bit of drama to its name. Originally promised to someone else, it got left at the altar when the buyer backed out. Now it sports protective stickers, giving it the kind of armor you'd expect on a luxury car, not just a luxury watch. It's pristine, protected, and unexpectedly available. This model isn't just any Rolex. It's the one with the champagne dial that everyone seems to want, but never gets to keep. It's been the belle of the ball, held on reserve, its fate hanging by a thread of postponed promises until the sale was finally called off. Now, this untouched beauty is back on the market, looking for a wrist to call home. And here's a quirky twist. Paying for this gem might cost you a tad more if you use certain cards, a small price to pay for racking up those points or saving on fees. Deciding might just be the most work you'll do once you strap this effortless classic on. Rolex Submariner Date. The Rolex Submariner date reference 126618 LB isn't just a watch, it's a statement. With its bold 18K yellow gold case and vivid blue ceramic bezel, it effortlessly commands attention. Whether you're stepping into a boardroom or posting up poolside, this piece blends flash and finesse without ever feeling try-hard. This specific Submariner tells stories just by wearing it. Soft gold shows life. Every mark, every hairline scratch is a chapter. Some collectors prefer their pieces sealed in protective film, but let's be honest, a well-worn gold sub is a flex that doesn't need polish. As of 2025, the official MSRP for this golden icon is $40,600, but on the grey market, pristine or full-set examples can easily fetch $43,500 to $45,000. That premium, it's not just for the metal, it's for the legacy, the wrist presence, and the instant respect it commands. Owning this Submariner date isn't just about keeping time, it's about arriving in it. Rolex Sky-Dweller. The Rolex Sky-Dweller's story doesn't begin with flash, it starts in the quiet. This one was discovered through a YouTube listing, owned by someone who clearly preferred to keep their flex under wraps. It's proof that not every Sky-Dweller owner is chasing attention. Some just appreciate what it means to hold something this refined. This reference 336938, featuring an elegant black dial housed in 18K yellow gold, Had a short but sweet wrist life, barely worn, then tucked away like a secret worth keeping. More safe queen than daily driver, it's been biding its time in near mint condition, waiting for the right moment and the right wrist. In 2025, the MSRP for this piece sits at $49,450, but strong condition and collector appeal have pushed grey market listings to between $52,000 and $58,000. That premium isn't just for the gold, it's for the quiet prestige and engineering under the hood. With a Saros annual calendar and Rolex's Ring Command bezel system, it's as smart as it is striking. This Sky-Dweller doesn't just tell time, it keeps stories. It's a vault of value, both in dollars and in discretion. Rolex GMT-Master 2. The recent arrival of a GMT-Master 2, dubbed Root Beer for its rich, effervescent bezel, came in a condition so pristine it could pass for a museum exhibit. This 2025 model wears its aftermarket stickers like a suit of armor, immaculate and untouched, suggesting it was less about telling time and more about being treasured. Its dual-tone bezel isn't just eye-catching, it practically winks at admirers, boasting a sheen that's as meticulous as it is magnetic. Snagging this GMT wasn't just a simple trade, it was a major league upgrade. It's not every day you find a timepiece that still looks like it's fresh out of the box and ready to turn heads. This watch doesn't just mark time, it makes a mark. Daytona Yellow Gold Oysterflex, 2018. Meanwhile, a 2018 Daytona with a yellow gold Oysterflex bracelet swaggered into the scene, sporting a tiny battle scar on its clasp with the nonchalance of an old jazz musician. Nearing its decade milestone, this watch has seen life and isn't shy about it. Serviced to ensure it keeps ticking flawlessly, it's prepared to jazz up many more years with rhythmic precision and style. This Daytona isn't just holding on to its youth, it's maturing like fine wine. With its 10-year anniversary on the horizon, it still flashes a brilliance that many newer models can only aspire to. It's clear that some watches don't just spend time, they spend it well. Did tariffs just break the watch market? The watch trading scene has been buzzing non-stop, shifting gears from travel to transactions without skipping a beat. Each month dances to a different tune. March buzzed with the hustle of smaller sales, February boasted larger transactions, and April mixes them up, though stock levels are thinning. The plot thickened when the US slapped a 31% tariff on luxury Swiss goods, including watches. This seismic policy shift rippled through the global markets, jolting not only the stock market, but also the domains of luxury goods and precious metals. This sudden hike compelled authorized dealers in the States to crank up their prices by 31%, almost overnight. Predictably, this is shaking up global distribution patterns for Swiss watches, pushing surplus stock towards markets in Asia and the Middle East. In this high-stakes environment, cautious buying is the game plan to avoid ending up with slow-moving stock if the market swings too wildly. It's about smart shopping for assured profitability, steering clear of the gambling route. As the global watch market navigates these turbulent waters, the trading community isn't just dealing timepieces, they're strategizing survival in a marketplace that's as unpredictable as ever. And there you have it, a snapshot of the luxury watch world as it ticks through tariff turmoil. Will these changes cause a time stop or just a slight adjustment? We're curious about your take. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell on Opulent Oasis to keep up with all things opulent and timely. Swing by our other videos for more glossy insights into the world of haute horology. What's tickling your fancy in the watch world these days, especially with these new shifts? Spill the details in the comments. Let's chat timepieces and tariffs.